Hello everyone. This is a modified Diana Walstad method planted tank as advocated by Father Fish on YouTube. This tank is now 2 months old. It is heavily planted and most of the plants are growing. Few are growing very well, but others are going in a very slow pace, but it's fine. We got a lot of tetras, widow tetras mainly, and some neon tetras and few other live bearers. This is a 1 inch dirt with additives capped by 2 inch of sand. Some of the floating plants, basically salvinia and redroot floaters. I added lot of leaf litter again as advocated by Father Fish. It's a beautiful tank, no maintenance actually, other than topping up water. I got a few snails, I think, which has come with the leaf litter and the plants, but they are fine.